Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe pav bhaji. Not only pav bhaji, this contains special ingredients. Please watch without skipping the video. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and roast well. I'm going to preparing pav bhaji masala here. After roasting, transfer to a plate. Add 3 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and roast all the ingredients. Then take into a plate. Add 10 Kashmiri red chili and then fry 1 or 2 minutes on low flame only and cool down all the ingredients. Keep aside. I'm using here 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, half beetroot and 200 grams of tomato and 200 grams of onion, 3 to 4 green chili, 200 grams of boiled potato and coriander leaves. Add 30 grams of 20 to 30 grams of butter and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add unsafried cumin seeds. Then add 200 grams of nicely chopped onion. Stir continuously. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once it's fried, then add all the nicely chopped ingredients: capsicum, carrot, beetroot, and tomato. Then green chili. If it is too spicy, you can add 1 or 2 green chilies. Then add boiled potato. Then mix well. And add 120 ml of water. Again mix well. Then add required salt. Then close and cook for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame. Transfer the fried ingredients to mixer. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of amchur powder. Grind coarsely. Then immediately stir in a bottle. Now check the curry. If it is boiled, then mash well. If not boiled, add some water, then cook again 5 minutes. Now smash it well. Then add, if it is too thick, add a half cup of water. Now add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of masala, ground masala, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Then mix well and cook 4 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, add 100 grams of paneer. I'm going to grate here. For this quantity, 100 gram paneer is enough. This curry can eat 4 to 5 members. And add coriander leaves. If you have lemon, you can add 1 full lemon, or if you don't have lemon, You can add 1 tablespoon of amchur powder. Now grate the 1 cheese cube. It will give extra taste to our bhaji. No need to cook. It will melt in the hot in the heat. Then sprinkle some coriander leaves. Then keep aside. This is homemade bread. I'm using here. You can purchase outside. It will available. Then take a tawa and add 5 grams of unsalted butter and sprinkle 1 pinch of chili powder and sprinkle 2 pinch of pav bhaji masala, groundnut masala and little bit coriander. Then fry two sides. Wow. Once fried and serving it a plate. Decorate with plate some chopped onions and coriander. Then put the fried masala bread and curry. This is very tasty with special ingredients of cheese and paneer. You can try this. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.